students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question has two parts. Part A, state Joule's laws of heating and how does a bulb works based on this law, explain. And part B, what is electric potential difference? Name the instrument used to measure the potential difference and how is this instrument be connected in an electric circuit. So let's see the part A. So part A is the Joule's law of heating or a heating effect of electricity. So H is donating the heat inside a resistor. So if we have a resistor, R and current going in this wire is I, so it will generate a heat inside the resistor. So that heat is donated by H. So this H, through experiments what we understood, this H is directly proportional to I square. So the current entering here, this H is directly proportional to that I square, and it is directly proportional to the resistance of the given current. So this resistance, so H is also directly proportional to this resistance. And third part, H is also directly proportional to time for which this current is passing through this resistance. So for the amount of time this current is passing through this resistance, that H is also proportional to that time. So combining all this four, H is equals to I square RT, correct? And using Ohm's law and this law, you can find another formulas for heat, that is V square by R into T, and H is equals to VIT. So if you know the voltage, you can use this formula as well. And if you know both voltage, current and time, you can use this formula as well. Now, in the bulb, what is happening? Let's see a bulb, small bulb, it will look like something like this, correct? And there will be a filament here, correct? Now this filament, we generally take a filament which has a very high melting point. It should not melt. Why? Because we are going to generate a big amount of heat. If we are heating something, if we are going to heat it, and if it will melt, what will happen? The circuit will break and bulb will not work. So we are not supposed to break the circuit. So that's why you are using a material, a filament, which has a very high melting point. Now what is happening? The current will pass through this filament which has some resistance, right? So it will generate a heat, and this heat, after generating a big amount of heat, it will start glowing. And the third point is the bulb is filled with the inert gas. So there will be gases inside it, correct? And that gas will be inert so that it will not react with this filament, correct? That's how the bulb works. Now let's see the second part. Second part is what is electric potential difference. It is nothing but the work done. It is nothing but the work done to move a unit charge from point A to point B. So if this is a wire, it has a resistance R, and this is point A and point B. So amount of work we are supposed to do for moving, for example, we have an electron. So amount of work we are doing to move this electron from here to here, and there is a resistance R into it. That is nothing but the potential difference, and it can be measured using a voltmeter. Voltmeter we are supposed to connect in a parallel. Voltmeter we are supposed to connect in the parallel in the circuit. So if we are supposed to find the potential difference between this point A and B, this is point A and this is point B. So where we will connect our voltmeter? Will connect our voltmeter here to find the potential difference between them. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.